Exciting announcement. Tapcoin new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Tapcoin airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. Tapcoin airdrop and listing announcement. Everything you need to know. Tapcoin, the viral tap-to-earn game that has captured over 5 million users, is officially gearing up for its highly anticipated $TP token airdrop, scheduled before September 6th. Excitement is building as the community prepares to earn rewards based on their in-game performance and engagement. Tapcoin airdrop eligibility criteria. To maximize your $TP token rewards, here are the key factors that will determine your allocation. PPH. Profit per hour. Your total profit per hour in the game directly influences the number of tokens you'll receive. Keys collected. Every key you've collected, including those already used, will count toward your airdrop. Friends referred. The more friends you invite to Tapcoin, the higher your potential rewards. Referral commissions. Earn bonus tokens when your referred friends claim their airdrops. Your activity. Regular participation in daily bounties, lucky codes, tasks, and other in-game events will boost your eligibility. Tapcoin airdrop and $TPS token listing event. Mark your calendars. The Tapcoin airdrop and $TPS token listing is set for April 2025, a major milestone for the platform. Multiple airdrop rounds. Complete tasks and improve your game stats to unlock bigger rewards across several rounds. Exchange launch. $TPS tokens will go live for trading, starting with selected platforms and expanding to top exchanges soon after. How to prepare and maximize rewards. Get ready to boost your earnings by building up your Tapcoin daily combo streaks, completing the Tapcoin daily bounty tasks, growing your referral network and collecting more keys. Tapcoin's future, beyond airdrops. 1. Tapcoin application platform. A smooth interface for third-party app integration. New partnerships to expand Tapcoin's ecosystem reach. 2. Staking and passive income. Stake your $TPS tokens and earn rewards. Special incentives for long-term holders. 3. Tapcoin DAO and community governance. A decentralized system giving users voting rights on key decisions. Transparent, community-driven. Ecosystem development. Get ready, tap, earn, and govern the future with Tapcoin. Stay tuned for further announcements, and get ready to witness Blum's next big step on April 29th, 2025. Final thoughts. What's next for Tapcoins? With April 2025 shaping up to be a landmark month, Tapcoins is set to redefine Web3 gaming. The $TPS coin listing price will be revealed closer to the official launch, adding further excitement for users and investors. As the platform continues to grow, new earning opportunities, governance structures, and ecosystem expansions will make Tapcoins an essential player in the Web3 revolution. Stay tuned for more updates as Tapcoins ushers in a new era of blockchain gaming and digital assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the Tapcoin in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **